Hi there, kiddos. Welcome to Accelerated Math 7-8 video number 9. The name of video number 9 is Writing, Evaluating, and Finding Equivalent Expressions with Rational Numbers. And we're going to find that on page 24 of my comp book. So here we go. Sorry, I'm trying not to let you peek because you guys love to peek. So, all right. Here we go. Writing, evaluating, and finding equivalent expressions with rational numbers. Writing, you know what that means. Evaluating means solving. And finding equivalent expressions. So we have one expression equal to another with rational numbers. So we're going to have all kinds of numbers in there. Goal. Today we will practice writing expressions that represent real-world situations. Pretty straightforward. The question that I want you to be focusing on is, what is an expression and how do we create one? Okay. You need to remember that an expression or that expressions take the place of words in math. So just to give you a heads up, we're going to be doing a lot of word problems today, and you're going to have to remember math vocabulary words so that you can attach them to numbers and symbols. Okay. So we're going to practice that with this first little scenario, and it is definitely written for you guys. The SMS Winter Dance is coming up. It costs $1 to enter the dance. Snacks at the concession stand cost $2 per snow cone. Haley came to the dance with 3 friends. They all bought a snow cone. How much total money did they spend? Now, some of you are already trying to figure that out in your head without showing any work, which you know how I feel about that. You do need to show your work. But the whole goal of this lesson today is not to find out the answer as quick as you can. The goal for today is that you're actually going to figure out how to write the equation, how to evaluate the equation, and then also can you find equivalent expressions to help support you in that job. So some of the things that I like to do is I like to write down the important information or the quantities. So SMS Winter Dance is coming up. It costs $1 to enter the dance. So I'm writing down $1 per person. Okay. Snacks at the concession stand cost $2 per snow cone. So I wrote $2 per snow cone. So our quantities here are $1 is a quantity. Per person would be one person. $2 is a quantity per snow cone. So one snow cone is another quantity. So there's actually 4 quantities sitting right here. So in total, Haley and her friends, so that makes 4 people, so that's another quantity. And then what I like to do is I like to try to write an expression that represents what I have. So I know that there are 4 people in total, and I know to get in the dance, it costs $1, and then to buy a snow cone, it costs $2. So I came up with the expression 1 per dance plus 2 per snow cone, all of that multiplied by 4. So 4 times the quantity of 1 plus 2. And the reason why I put the P right here, but I didn't put it over here, is because we're talking about money in here. And everybody knows that it costs $1 to get into the dance and $2 per snow cone. So over here in our tape, using that from yesterday's lesson, I put 1 plus 2, knowing that it's $1 to get in, $2 per snow cone. 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 Is there anybody who can tell me why my tape has 4 sections in it? If you said it was because there's 4 people at the dance, then you are correct. Okay, so now the question said, how much total money did they spend? That's your job to figure it out. Hopefully between these 2 things, remembering what we did yesterday, you can tell me. So the answer that I'm going to be looking for in your notes when I do an ETL check is to figure out how much it costs to get into the dance. So basically, all of our practice on this is exactly what you just see right here. You're going to be given a word problem. You're going to have to identify the important words or quantities. You're going to have to set up an expression to figure out what the total would be. And when you do figure out the total, you are taking that expression and you're turning it into an equation, and then you're solving. So, have fun. Have fun with that. The question, Just to remind you really quickly, what is an expression and how do you create one? I will be looking for the answer to that in your notes tomorrow as well. And that's it, guys. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Thanks.